Good afternoon, sir. My name is Jasmine P. Villaganes from Section Tahong. And today, I am going to explain on how to derive quadratic equations using quadratic formula. So, to derive quadratic formula, let's start with the general form of quadratic equation, which is the ax squared plus bx plus c equals to 0. To solve this equation, we can complete the square. So, how to complete the square nga ba? The first step is to divide the entire equation by a to simplify it. So, the simplification is x squared plus b over cx plus c over a equals to 0. Next, we want to rewrite this equation in the form of a perfect square trinomial, which will be the x squared plus b over a x plus parenthesis of b over 2a squared minus parenthesis of b over 2a squared plus c over a equals to 0. The next step will be the b over 2a squared plus c over a equals to 0 will be transposed to the other side, which will become the positive will become negative if you will apply the rule of transposing, which will make b over 2a squared minus c over a. X squared plus b over ax plus parenthesis of b over 2a squared equals to b squared over 4a squared minus 4ac over 4a squared will become x squared plus b over ax plus the parenthesis of b over 2a squared equals to b squared plus minus 4ac overall of 4a squared. Now, we can rewrite the left side to a perfect square binomial, which will become x, so parenthesis of x plus b over 2a squared. It will become x plus b over 2a equals to positive negative the square root of b squared minus 4ac over 4 over 2a. Finally, solving x, we have the x equals to negative b plus minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac overall of 2a. So that is how to solve the quadratic formula using the general form of quadratic equation.